Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we could set up a Gmail integration into our Power Automate flow. So in the first video, when we were setting up our workflow, I showed you guys how to set up a manually triggered workflow. So you have to hit the test button for the workflow to actually work. And then once we hit the test button, in that first video, we set up the Outlook email to go out, and that was working as expected. Then in the next video, we set up a Teams integration, and that went ahead and posted a Teams message into one of our chats here, and that worked as expected. So now we need to set up the Gmail integration. You guys can see I already have it in place, but if you want to go ahead and add yours, just come over to the plus symbol, search up Gmail, and then select send email. And then once you select it, you're going to have to go ahead and put in the email. What you may need to do first, though, is if you aren't already signed into your Gmail account, it should give you a pop-up. So you may need to enable pop-ups. Then you have to set up your connection to your Gmail account. So what it's going to do is going to send an email from your Gmail account to whatever email you guys decide to select here. So just put in the email you want to send it to, and then you need to come down here and select your parameters. So I just selected the subject and the body, and then put those in, and everything was set up on my end. Let me delete this because we have duplicates. So yeah, once you guys have that in place, yours should look something like this, depending on how detailed your body is and whatever you have in your subject. So once you have everything in place and you have the email that you want to send it out to, now we can actually go ahead and test it out. So if you come over here to test, and we'll go over to manually, and then do save and test. And now what it's going to do, it's going to give us the option to run the flow, and it may take a moment. And we're going to come over here to the integrations, and I just heard the first email go through. So let's see our flow executions, and the second email just went through. So that means we got an email from ourselves, from the Outlook account, and then we also got one from the Gmail. So you guys can see all the steps here. We're all successful. The trigger, the email, the Teams, the email. So let's come over here to Outlook. You can see we got the first email here. Then we got the second email from our Gmail account. And if we come over to sent, you can actually see that that Outlook email was being sent from this account to ourselves. And then the Teams chat is here. So that's good. Now if I go ahead and refresh this page, you can see that I had one from earlier, but this is the one that just went out. So testing the Gmail integration, and that one worked as expected. So that is how you guys actually set up a Gmail integration into your Power Automate flow.